It's 2015. It's the first week of June, and Anthony and I are up here hunting for the spring bear season. We are staying at a place called Holden Lake Lodge. We'll show that to you later on in this video. But we're driving in. We are in Quebec. Right now we're sitting in Ontario, and we're going to cross the line to go into Quebec here in about 200 yards. But we are fishing up here too on the Ontario River and also in some small lakes. The Ottawa River, okay. Sorry about that. Anyhow, this is a drive into the lodge. Down there, there's guys fishing down. If you look down at the bottom, see the guys fishing down there? Holden Lake Lodge sign. That's where we're staying. The water's up now because we're letting water out of the dam. This is what they call the town, although there's not much here. This is where we've been fishing. This is supposed to be a good walleye fishing spot. This place right here is where you get your hunting licenses and your fishing licenses.
So, get on this road, takes you down. That's us. Left. Go down for a while on the dirt road for like 30 minutes. It's a little muddy here. Here it is. Pretty much a mansion, basically. Start inside. they give you a little outside table, chairs. There's our fishing rods, our net. Nice gas grill. This is the living room and kitchen area. Sleeping away. He's putting food away. Oh, there's 2 rooms. This is the first room. This is where we'll put all of our hunting stuff. This is the second room. This is where we're going to sleep. And then the bathroom. Bigger than I expected. And the best part is the outside. Got some neighbors over there screaming French ever since we got here. So pretty rocky backyard right on the lake. First thing, got a little fire pit here. Pretty nice. Right on the lake. And we just got here not long ago, so they do give us 2 boats, 2 little motor boats. But here's our dock. Takes you right out here. This is what we got. Got some docks over there. They already have their boats over there. So we'll probably be hunting back there further, toward back in the woods there. Woods are very thick. But this is where we'll be doing our fishing. It's a nice little setup.
is awesome. Did you see that? Anthony, that is big. And you know what's so cool about that? It has a white spot on its chest. Oh my gosh. Look at me a minute. Take that. Take your net. Take it. What do you think? That's a big bear. I think it was about 3 inches taller than a barrel. That shot was perfect. Were you nervous? You were all about the business today. Anthony, nice job, buddy. That was awesome. Most people shoot a squirrel their first animal. Go down and look at. Here, look at me one more time. So we're in Canada. That was right at 6 o'clock. You saw that before I did. Nice shot, Anthony. I think we're going to find that's a big bear. Feel relieved? Feel a little excited? You want to go down and check it out? Alright, let's go do that. Good job, dude. One more fist bump, then we're done. You want to give the guy a call? And then we'll walk in and look for it, okay?
Well, I think we have to go there to call him.
All right. We're 26 miles away from our cabin. Now we're in Ontario, Canada. It's the second night of our hunt, and Anthony just shot a very nice black bear with a crossbow. It's 6 o'clock, 6:30 on Sunday night. We just satellite radioed the guy to come pick us up.
This is Quebec, not Ontario.
This is Quebec, according to Anthony. He did a great job. It's so thick up here. The black flies are everywhere. And right in this woods is where we were. I'll follow you. Yeah, I want to go see this bear. Did you talk to him? Yes, we are. What? You see blood? You see the arrow? Huh? You see a blood trail? I see some here. I don't see it in here. Oh yeah, I see. I'm gonna follow you. What'd you say? There is? You see the arrow? Okay, keep. I'll go get the arrow. The bear? Yeah, I see it. Pick your arrow up. He broke it off.
Yeah, it's broke.
Let me see. Show me to me. Oh yeah. I'm gonna stay back here while you poke it. He's here. You come right through here. Look. No, go ahead. Good. You can go up to it. I'll stay right here. You can run faster than I can.
Do you think it's going to? Do you think it's going to get smaller when the blood runs out and stuff?
The body? Yeah.
That looks bigger than yours, but you also said it was
Yeah. No, it's bigger than the one I got, Anthony. Stand back and poke it, okay? I said stand back and poke it. Poke it in the butt. Now I can walk up. Nice job, buddy. Very nice. All right, get this guy out of here. Huh? He must have. Yeah. I don't know where the broadhead is.
Probably in the bear.
No, because it came the whole way through.
Show Yeah, it might be on the other side.
Yeah, he could have tried to pull it back out too. He ran pretty quick though. Did Alex say anything? So look, Anthony, right? Yeah. So right here where he was standing, you see the blood, how the bud started right away? It's right here. So he went about, we found that arrow about 20 yards away, or no, 10 yards away. And then how far is that bear? Less than 20 yards, right?
Probably about. Probably about.
I'm gonna keep that feather as a souvenir. So he came from over here, right? Look. This is where he came from?
Yeah. There's like a hill right there, right?
You saw him before I did. You told me there's one there, and I didn't see it for 5 minutes.
Yeah, it was like behind the barrel. It was back there, and you walk like where you are.
Yeah.
Turn and walk that way a little bit, then turn down.
So he came from back here, right? And then came down this way?
No, walk over where you are.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't see him. You said there was one there, and he must have been standing there for a while, right? Yeah, because I didn't see it. I kind of... No, I didn't hear it. Remember, I had my head down. You tapped me on the shoulder and said there's a bear there, and I thought you were. I didn't see it. I just couldn't see it. And then when you said I saw it again, it's right there. I still didn't see it. Okay, this is far enough. We don't need any more wolves or bears coming after us. Did Alex say he's going to come right away?
Yeah.
So that'll probably take half an hour for him to get here. All right. Huh? Are you nervous being in here?
No, I just don't want to carry everything out once I can.
Okay. That was a perfect shot. Really was. Get up there and help him, please, Anthony. Go put that in the truck. Put these in the truck. Whoa, whoa! You have both cameras. Do you have both phones? What? I'm thinking, hey, what kind of chainsaws do you like to use?
He uses Stihl.
Yeah. Okay. Does either one work better, do you think?
They're both pretty good.
Yeah.
Some people prefer Husqvarna, some people prefer Reynolds.
Yeah.
As long as you take care of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to untie it up front. What? So I still have to untie it up front.
Thank you for watching our video. When we started out this trip, we weren't planning on making a video. And then when we got home, we realized we had a lot of different clips, so we decided to put everything together and make one long video. Before we go, I want to just tell you a little bit about the equipment that we used. I used this bow right here. It's a PSE Dream Season 6. It's about 3 years old. And the arrows that I used were Easton or Carbon Hex arrows, and I used a 100 grain Rage broadhead.
For the bear I shot, I used this 10-point crossbow. with 10-point bolts, and I also used 100 grain Ranger broadheads.
So again, thanks for watching our video. If you're thinking about going bear hunting and you want to go up to Canada, we highly recommend Holden Lake Lodge. The accommodations were great, the people were great. They definitely knew what they were doing and got us on bears right away, and we had a great time. So I hope you enjoyed the video, hope you learned a little bit, and thanks for watching.